Hey guys, we're back making another video. Today we're gonna be making some famous grandma's pulled pork, right? Yes. Classic. I'm gonna make it this time, not like my brother. He's been taking over the channel for a bit. I've been sick. My brother has been healing me with his powers.
So now we're gonna be good and ready to make a new YouTube video. And what? Show us the meat. You gotta show us the meat.
So right here, we got meat. This is the ingredients. We got salt, we got pepper, and then this is for the sauce. So we'll have the sauce here.
This bill legalizes sawed-off shotgun.
This is what we're gonna do. You gotta get a board. Hey!
Mashed potatoes or oatmeal.
Then what you wanna do, you just have to shove this in there. You cause a slit, a slimy slit. And then once you do that, you do another one.
Who is this lady?
What are you talking about? You're talking about nothing,
lady?
right? You're talking about nothing! Show me.
No.
Show me how you feel me.
Okay, they're all gonna pop out. Yeah, they're popping out.
Okay, so once you have the meat ready, what you want to do is grab a pan. Brother, may you assist me with grabbing
you got it.
So, now what you want to do is make the sauce. Okay, so that's hot. That's hot. That's hot. Exactly it. Oh my god! It's actually really hot, guys, so be careful. Don't have anything on the stove. It's gonna be really hot.
What is that?
Guys, I forgot about 2 ingredients that you could add. Optional stuff, of course. So, it's a little bit of Worcestershire. Or, I don't know how to pronounce it. Worcestershire sauces. A little bit. Just a little. Then a little bit of mustard.
Hey, yo, with the mustard coming out funny, yo.
It's not squirting right.
Hey, that's what he said.
Okay.
Just mix it.
What?
Just mix it.
Mix it?
Just mix it with your hands.
Okay, what's next? Well, this is where we go here. We'll go here. Put 2.
Okay, do it again. Yeah, quit there.
Okay. Okay, so what you want to do is press 2.5 hours.
2 days and 50 minutes.
We'll see you then.
All right, bye. Now you understand the Adolf Hitler? The son of Adolf Hitler? His successor? The commander of the Fourth Reich?
So now that we're done cooking, it's been a bit done. It's been 2 hours and 30 minutes. We're gonna open this up. And
You want me to do it?
oh, you're so kind.
Here, hold this.
There you go. Take a nibble out of it.
Mmm.
Yeah?
Mmm, try it.
Okay, so it's so tender. And it's meat.
Guys, don't forget to put some of the sauce on there.
It's good. So thank you for all the viewers out there who has sticked with us through the thick times. You know, our videos hasn't been reaching the same views as it used to. So we're thanking you, everybody out there, who still believes in us and who trusts us in our vision for this cooking channel where we show you the true raw reality of cooking. So we thank you, everybody out there.